Welcome down to Legoland Windsor. A lot of stuff going on down here at Legoland. Obviously Viking River Splash, we've got the cinema. Hopefully there's some new models to see, but if not, I do know we can see the facia down in Pirate Shores. Quick look here, although I'm not entirely sure how much we can see with the greenery. And then onwards down the valley. We'll have a zoom in on this closely, but here is the deconstruction of Viking River Splash. And actually they have started the external walls. Be interesting to see when we get around the corner how that looks. Some of the models are still there. Some of them have gone down here though. A few models have gone. That booth is somehow remaining. And as we sort of pan across, again, we will get a close up. You can kind of see it's been completely and utterly flattened. Now over the back, we can show you the digger. That is deconstructing at the moment. We're guessing over towards the lift hill. Views are quite difficult, but we are gonna have a little walk up and just see if we can spot anything. But it's coming down fairly quickly around the Ninjago building. Now the trees have grown. To be fair, you can't see a lot from the top of the hill, which is a bit of a shame, but you can see a lot of rubble when indeed where they started taking down the exterior fencing. Okay, here is the view. As you look towards the path up the top, you'll notice that the lift hill has gone, completely gone, out of sight. I'm not sure if we'll get any more views a bit further down. But yeah, it's really weird to see. I mean, it's been there for such a long time now. It's really odd to see it, but the lift hill has gone. The hill climb train is still closed during the day at the moment. So I think it opens in the morning and the afternoon, late afternoon, to take riders back. So bits like this aren't in the way of the train as it goes, but you can see these models have indeed gone. I don't know whether they've been rescued, don't know whether they'll appear anywhere, but they have indeed gone. As we move down from there, around here at the moment, still no movement, including that booth, as well as the models which are just behind it, which we showed you from up the top. Let's head round now and see if we can see anything else. Not entirely sure what's happened to the big metal fence here, but that hasn't gone up yet. But from down here, you can see up the top, and you can see a lot more has gone as well. We've just shown you shots from around the other side, and we'll zoom in now on this too, that it looks like kind of more of a safety fencing has been put up across the site, and they are working just behind that, which is around the station area. It looks like it's been cleared significantly since we last saw it, which has been a couple of weeks in fairness. Yeah, loads going on here at Legoland. It's a shame we can't get better views, but greenery in the way. You can see there big metal structures which are being thrown straight into the skip. Now that could be from some of the support areas for some of the models, or that could be part of the station itself, but it is definitely cleared down the back of a station. All around here looks like this has been cleared as it progresses around the other side with the lift hill gone. There can't be that much left, in honesty. I'd love to get a close-up look of it. But yeah, fascinating how quickly it's coming down. Although it has been a couple of months now. I still think it'll be a couple of months before it's clear and we see any kind of real groundwork for the new attraction. This area here in Pirate Shores has kind of been put back together. It did look like they were doing sort of piping waterworks, in fairness, but I did think that maybe we might see something else here at the same time, even if it's only benches, picnic area. But it looks like we've also got new camera systems gone in too. But this bit back open, but can't really do anything in it at the moment. Some new benches is what we need in here. We move on to Knight's Kingdom, and with Legoland kind of open all year round now, to be honest, and I have been for a while, they have to do maintenance throughout the year, much like Paulson's Park do, much like some other parks do. Chessington do it late season too. And it's no different in a quieter period of May after bank holiday, and that is Dragon's Apprentice and the roundabout as well, both closed for maintenance. That's all it is. It's the standard routine maintenance, as both rides will be open throughout the year and are generally open heading into the Christmas and obviously New Year, February periods. So no train on the track at the moment as that is taken off. And over here they have taken some of the trains off, which you can see, they're nowhere to be seen. Some have been put back on. Now I believe it's closed for May. It's all listed on the website. You can see it on there. So I believe it's closed for May period. So we're about halfway through and they'll do all the maintenance on it. Yeah, it's weird, isn't it? It's weird seeing these rides. Now we're gonna have a quick look. I don't think we've got any new models down there. It's just about to absolutely hammer it down as well, obviously. But we'll have a quick look over here, because we like to be nosy without getting anyone's way. And you can see all the testing done, all the white, which is obviously crack testing. You can see all the cars been taken off, all the bearings and everything taken off. Everything's been taken off. Ready, absolutely ready. He's bucketing it down now. And we might go look for some new models. No new models in the Dragon area yet, but we do have a Robin Hood here just by the entrance. This is on the concrete patch, so we do know we've got some concrete patches which have been installed, plus the centerpiece, plus the Dragon going up there. There are still quite a few models left to come, but they are slowly making their way out. As we head into Pirate Shores, and you can probably see in the background, it's down, it's down. Here we are in Pirate Shores, and as you can see, the fascia has been completed, and it makes such a difference. It really does make such a difference to the area, and indeed the look, to make it look like a village down the side of the Burger Kitchen. You've got a bit of outdoor seating down the bottom, you've got a bit of boards, you've got some lighting, you've got some flags, you've got some design. It actually looks really good, really impressed with that as you head into Pirate's Burger Kitchen. I still think there's some models to do, and of course you can see here there's some finishing touches, some poles down here. I'm sure there's some fencing around here as well, and we don't have the water sprays back yet, but I think we probably will get them back, would be my guess. I mean, it is absolutely soaking people today. There's no one in this one, so it's a nice easy one to show you, but I mean, that's going straight in. There's a lot of people coming off very wet. Here is Lego Studio 4D, or what was Lego Studio 4D. As you can see, proper fencing is up now, but the one thing you may notice straight away is that the sign has gone. The sign has gone. Now, oddly, actually, I don't actually think they've made too much progress inside, and we'll show you over in a sec, but the sign, yes, weird, it's weird that's gone. A look over into the area, and construction is ongoing. It's definitely ongoing. As it all starts to come down, it's been pulled back. You can see a little Lego offices here as well as all of that continues. But yeah, the sign gone is just something else. That ends our update here at Legoland Windsor. Yes, it won't be long until this is down. It won't be long until that's down. It continues at the moment being cleared out. As I said, I think they'll probably save some of these bits, which may be why they haven't come down so quickly. But it's definitely coming down, there's no doubt about that. It's really weird seeing it without the Lego sign. Just really weird. It's been there ever since I remember, to be honest. And it's no longer there. Someone can still save me a poster. I'll just quickly throw that one out there. The posters are still there. Someone save me a poster. Won't be long. Right, lots going on here at Legoland Windsor. What are you looking forward to? Are you looking forward to the Mack spinning coaster? Were you hoping for something else, perhaps? Are you hoping for not a clone of Spinjitzu? Are you hoping for something a bit more unique? Let us know in the comments below.